What's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video. Continue off the last video. You know what I'm saying? Got the Magnum up here running right now. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all see the big boy 300. On the 20 by 11s in the back. Just got to wash, but I still need the detail. So y'all updates, man. I did for this already, man. I don't think I showed y'all this, but a quick update. Let y'all see right quick, man. You know, I got the big boy screen in here now, you know what I'm saying? I don't think I ever showed y'all that, man. So that's the crazy part. What is this? What the heck is this? Get the receipt right quick. Hold on. Yeah, alright, I had to look at like, what type of receipt is this, man? It's like a Ford Taurus. I ain't got no Ford Taurus. What the hell? This must have been like trash. I must have just found or something, man. But anyway, I never threw it away. But yeah, I got the screen, man. What's this called? I'm trying to think what it is. It's JVC, I think. Let's see if I can find it. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, JVC, you know what I'm saying? 2020 model, whatever. The exact model, let me show y'all right here. The exact model I got. Right here. Boom. Got all this. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? Big boy screen. How big is it? Let me see to show you how big this is right quick. Pause. You know what I'm saying? Right now I can't find it, man. But anyway, if you look that up, show you how big it is, man. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna shut the car off right quick. Alright, shut that off. But yeah, man, I do a lot of this with the screen. Yeah, I know it's super dirty, man. But anyway, besides that crap. Lost the words right now. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Works good, works perfect, man. Android Auto, wireless Android Auto. I play my YouTube off this, you know what I'm saying? The Fire Stick, you know what I'm saying? Also, show y'all, since I showed y'all this, let me show y'all the other update. The coupe got the wolf box in here too, you know what I'm saying? So right now it's unplugged, as y'all can see, because I've been realizing that, but I think I said before, I've been realizing it's been coming on, but both of these unplugged, the Magnum and the Riviera, have been coming on because of the battery tender, man. So the battery tender causing this to pop on automatically, man. So that's why I got it unplugged. So, but yeah, got the wolf box in here. And I got this mounted up on my trunk, as y'all can see. Hold on, move this right quick. Got it mounted on the trunk, looking good. See, nice and clear, right in the middle. You can see it wired up here, all the way down here, down to the back. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I did all this myself, so it was pretty easy. Wired up through the headliner, then down to the door. So up to the headliner, all the way down here, all the way back, all the way through the trunk, man. So yeah, man. So that's that. I can see the 6 is off. You feel me? 6 has been off for a minute now. I think for a good almost a month now, though. But it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, the 24s in my Impala is for sale. You feel me? So find that out. You can probably find that on Marketplace. You know what I'm saying? Like that. Also, I want them, man. Like I said, man, for 100 you can have them. If I sell it for 1,000, just because I'm just tired of people texting me 800, 1,000. You know what I'm saying? You see how long that lasts, though. But I ain't pressed for the bag right now. So we ain't tripping on that. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of stuff to sell, man. So yeah, got rid of Impala, man. How I feel about it? It is what it is. It's an Impala, man. Felt like it wasn't really worth to keep it. You know what I mean? I wanted this car. See, this car had been for sale for a while too, though. You know what I'm saying? So, and me still even be able to get this car after how long it's been for sale, it's crazy. So everything I guess meant to be. Like I said, I was looking at other cars before this too. I was looking at another 300, like a 2014 300. I was looking at too, SRT8. You know what I mean? Then I realized like you really could change up the whole front bumper of it. You know what I'm saying? Make it look just like this. And then the whole dash, you can really change the dash too, which I didn't know. So what I mean by the dash is this whole instrument cluster. You can really just change this out. And then, you know what I'm saying, grab a taser and then basically program it like this. Cause you know they got the older dashes, the older cluster and the older 300s, you know what I'm saying? So basically you can have basically the same thing in the older cars, man. So that's the craziest part, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do another update on this, why I liked it, why I went with a 2023. Ooh, that's $5 right there. That's crazy. Crazy. Dang, young be having money all in the car, man. Shoot. Didn't even know that was down there. But yeah, I'm gonna do another video on why I bought the 300, man. And probably do the 5 things, the 5 dislikes, blah, blah, blah. And that's that, man. But yeah, man, we got 2 392s now, you know what I'm saying? Just another car to watch out for the jack boys with, but it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Got my countermeasures installed, ready to go. Couple countermeasures, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna add one more to both of these. And I ain't gonna put that on camera when I'm gonna do to that. But we're gonna add one more countermeasure to both of these 2 vehicles, man. After that, we'd be good though, you know what I'm saying? So again, it's your boy, Young Rich 419. I appreciate y'all new subscribers. I'm probably gonna get some more coming to this new 300. So like I said, like, share, subscribe. What's up?